empowering South American youth with Drupal 10 skills. I didn't have access to private or specialty education, but when I learned from incredible mentors, my career took off. Now, I want to give that same opportunity to young students from South America who, like me, lack access to practical tech education. Our solution, the Lightning Drupal 10 site building course, a gamified, hands-on program with job placement support. We need $15,000 to run this course for 3 cohorts over 3 months. The course ends with a live stream closing ceremony, showcasing the students' projects to potential employers. With your help, we can empower these students to build a brighter future and strengthen the Drupal community. Together, let's light their path toward success.